Yo, what is up, guys? Look, there is nothing, and I mean nothing, that'll ruin your vibe faster than hopping in your ride, turning the key, and getting that pathetic click-click sound. It's a total gut punch. Now, you probably click this because you're sick of getting burned by premium batteries that give up the ghost after one bad winter or a spicy summer. Today, we're cutting through the marketing fluff. I'm exposing the 5 battery brands that are straight up trash when the mercury drops or the heat waves hit. And I'm giving you 7 bulletproof winners that'll actually go the distance. If you want a car that cranks every single time, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Before we name names, let's talk shop for a second. Your battery isn't just a black box of magic. In the cold, the chemical reaction inside slows down to a crawl. It's like trying to run through a pool of maple syrup. In the heat, that's the real silent killer. It evaporates the liquid inside and fries the internal plates. Most people think a battery is a battery. Big mistake. In 2026, cars are basically rolling computers. If your battery is a lemon out of the box, your sensors will go haywire. We're looking for high CCA, cold cranking amps, and solid reserve capacity. The big box bottom tier ED, Econocraft/generic store brands. Look, I get it. You're at a certain 24-hour mega retailer, and the $80 price tag looks juicy. Don't do it. These are starting batteries, in name only. They have thin as paper lead plates. One deep freeze, and these things are paperweights. The refurb specials: if you see a battery that says reconditioned for 40 bucks, run. It's like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. It might last a week, but the first heat wave will cook it alive. Brand X, mid-tier budget lines. Watch out for brands that only offer a 90-day warranty. If the company doesn't trust the product for more than 3 months, why should you? These are notorious for leaking acid around the terminals when it gets hot. The old tech flooded leaded Einser Dondernals. In 2026, if you're buying a no-name flooded battery for a modern SUV with stop-start tech, you're throwing money in the trash. It'll be toast in 6 months. Exide, lower-tier classic series. Specifically, their entry-level stuff. We've seen way too many of these drop cells prematurely when the temperature swings. They just don't have the guts for extreme climates. Alright, enough with the junk. Let's talk about what you should actually bolt into your tray. Varder Silver Dynamic AGM, the undisputed heavyweight champ right now. If you live in the Midwest or the desert, this is the gold standard. It handles deep cycles like a pro. Bosch S5 AGM. German engineering isn't just for the engine. This thing is a beast. High CCA, and it doesn't break a sweat in 100-degree weather. Optima Yellow Top. Yeah, they're pricey, but they're vibration resistant. If you do any off-roading or live on bumpy back roads, this is your best bet. Odyssey Extreme Series. This isn't just a battery, it's a tank. It's got massive plates and can sit for months without losing its charge. Perfect for your weekend warrior or project car. Superstar Platinum AGM. Actually a sleeper hit. High ratings for longevity and usually comes with a killer 3-year replacement warranty. That's peace of mind right there. AC Delco Gold. The go-to for many pros. It's reliable, predictable, and handles cold starts like it's nothing. D-Hard Platinum AGM. The legend is still alive. These have some of the best heat rejection tech in the game. It's a set it and forget it kind of deal. Quick pro tip before you head to the auto parts store: check the date code. Batteries have a born on date. If it's been sitting on the shelf for more than 6 months, ask for a fresher one. Also, grab a $5 can of terminal protector spray. It keeps the blue fuzz away and ensures a clean connection. Your alternator will thank you. Bottom line, don't be cheap when it comes to the heart of your car's electrical system. Buy once, cry once, and get back on the road. If this video saved you a headache and a tow truck bill, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more no BS car advice. Drop a comment below what's the worst battery brand you've ever used. I want to hear your horror stories. Stay safe out there, keep those terminals clean, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.